morning, sir.
Morning, sister.
I beg your name, sir.
My name is Mr. Wisdom.
Okay. So they ask how this new Naira notes when they bring come outside, when CBN bring come, this 200, 500 and 1,000, how do you think they affect you and what do you think about them?
Sister, what do you think about this new Naira notes where government brings so? They use and punish us, one. The area where they take punish us now, if you look the situation now, the way the state take it, we don't even get joy. Talk of saying you even they see many we take high, we take they even they use the money. And even as they won't even see stop to they use this money now. They use the anti-politics issue so they punish through the masses. And again, if they won't use them because of say make them use them for the politics, why the president is say make it stop, make any money no go pulling units, the day of votes, so that if they let the money free for us, maybe they use them. But this one now, they just ban the money. They use and they suffer us. You know good. The way you take joy, you know just take joy for the country at all. Making do as normal human being will be.
So if I want to ask you, now, if you want to advise the president now, say how you want to take the situation, because you see say things don't already get and they there. So what do you tell them? You say may go do, we go help the situation now.
Yes, the matter when I go tell Mr. President now, making years. Thank God saying I open a matter now every day now. What I tell Mr. President now, make him first of all consider people who no be like that. Because I see where the office now, in the use, you don't even know how money they went into the eat. Like we where they here, so they add us to even see the money take some. What him go do now for the masses so that we go see the pray for them too. Make him release the money, maybe they see the money use. And again, if he maybe release the money like that, since they don't fix and say on the 22, make people might leave the money, maybe they use and since on the 22. Then after on the 22 now, make him still know say the money in go be still release them for us, maybe they use them. Make him no be say in go see him the chop, we go there here the suffer. Make him leave and make reach us, maybe they use them.
Okay. So lastly, I go ask say concerning the fuel issue where they happen for Nigeria currently. How you see them, because the price increase pass as it did before, even if they bring and come down. So how you take see them now currently the fuel issue for Nigeria?
The fuel issue for Nigeria is based on Mr. President too, because anything where they go wrong, na hate, na day. When other people come out, we know they buy fuel to this time when it come be 285, some 275. Already he won't even come out, maybe because he won't come out, now make can use and take punish us. If he know wetin good, we go know say in a leader na in the rule us, make him put the fuel for normal way be say if you go fit buy am. Other people where their hand no strong, where they manage up, you go see if they follow up. So that everybody go fit buy fuel, make it put am for one price. No be say this filling station go 280, this one 240, this one 300. You know good.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, sister, it's too much. God go